You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They have obviously similar spellings but very different meanings, so you want to get them correct. They do have the same pronunciation though. Peas is how you pronounce it. You'll note that the S at the end has a Z sound, a Z sound, peas. So the top word is the legume or the plant, the vegetable, peas, a dish. The bottom word is when somebody urinates, he pees in the garden. Peas, same pronunciation, those are homophones. Peas, how to pronounce in English, English pronunciation, peas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.